Honestly, welcome to my channel. Honestly, I say this place makes me feel like starting a cooking show, and this is how we're going to start it. I'll say, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be cooking jollof rice, fried rice, chicken, some shrimps, and some chicken peri peri with some zobo. I hope you stay tuned and watch till the very end. Share with your friends and your family, and let's cook together. Okay, our rice is cooking. I'm just going to cook it in this oven right here. And I'll let that cook in the oven for 45 minutes. And I'll be needing some things from my fridge. Some tomatoes, some peppers, some onions for my chicken peri peri. I'll wash them up, slice them and put it in my pan. And season it with some salt and some Nor chicken powder. Mix it all around and take it to my oven. I'm gonna bake this chicken peri peri for the next 50 minutes. Next is gonna be our fried rice. So I'm gonna need my vegetables, which I'm going to take from my fridge. So I have all of my vegetables. I'm going to wash up my carrots, scrape them up, my onions, peeled and washed, my green peas, washed, the sweet corn, washed, and all of my other vegetables. Wash them. And now I'm gonna fry my onions. Adding I'll start from the hard vegetables. The carrots, the green peas, my sweet corn. And now I'm gonna put in my spices. I love my curry and my thyme. Some curry and some thyme. And now my mixed vegetables is ready. I've been pre-cooking my rice and my rice is ready. I cooked my rice with my chicken stock and my rice is ready. So now I'm going to transfer it into my vegetables. And I'm going to mix it all up. Guess what? I'm gonna bake it just for 10 minutes to make it nice and crisp. I'll put it in my oven, baking it at 350 degrees for just 10 minutes. Now, my jollof rice is ready, my chicken peri peri is ready, my fried rice is ready. Let's bring it out from the oven. My fried rice, my jollof rice, my chicken peri peri, and it's ready. So let's dish it up. And I have some salad and some mayonnaise. Let me get that from my fridge. I have my lunch and some drinks. Let's set the table. Some drinks, some coffee if you like coffee, and this is for my salad. So now let me serve you a plate. Put in some jollof rice, some fried rice, some chicken peri-peri, some salad. My salad is a combo of cabbage, carrot, and eggs. And I'm gonna put some ranch on it. I hope you enjoyed the plate. It's gonna be delicious and yummy. Alright, thank you for watching the cooking show. I hope you learned today and I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoyed making the jollof rice, fried rice, and chicken peri-peri with me. Enjoy, and you can add some baked beans if you like to give your salad another kick. Thank you all for watching. I love you. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. This is just for fun, but in my head, I'm imagining it's real. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Happy Sunday, everyone. My fried rice, jollof rice, and chicken peri-peri with some salad is ready. Now it's time for me to sit back, relax, and enjoy my meal. Oh, so delicious. Wait, why did I even think of this comedy? Honestly, I don't know, but it just feels fun, you know. All right, let me enjoy my meal. Ooh, I'm filled up and satisfied. Let me get a drink. Refreshing, sweating, cold drink. This is so much fun. It's so much fun doing role play. I think I'm bringing out the inner child in me. The inner child in me. Every adult once in a while needs to bring out the inner child in him or her. It is fun to do that. Trust me, try it out. you will love it. It's plenty, it's beautiful, it's nice. You will love it. Bye y'all. You are on the throne. I know you are on the throne. And because you are on the throne, it is well. Your word tells me so. And I know that because you are on the throne, it is well. And again, it is well, for you are on the throne. I know you are on the throne, and because you are on the throne, it is well. Your word tells me so, and I know that because you are on the throne, it is well.